Our surface is pressure and heat. Come on, y'all, let's go east. That means you gotta get off your feet. Remember, if rocks sweated on me, come on, let's go grab some seats.
Metamorphics are used for building and making sculptures. They're so high that they hit the vultures.
Hey! Cemetery rocks are rough from erosion. All you gotta do is put them in the ocean.
Hey!
The next is deposition. Let's go ride into this expedition.
Boom, boom, boom.
Here comes compaction. Let's divide that by a fraction.
Boom, chicka boom, chicka boom.
Hey!
What's that you say? Building children may fool out, but y'all are fools.
Exit's thinking is a rock made from magma. If you don't believe us, go ask Barack who voted for Obama.
You know what?
What?
You know what?
What?
Igneous rocks are for building tiled floors and building bridges. Let's go downtown and buy some pigeons. Pigeons.
They're classified by origin, texture, and mineral composition.
Word.